Today we are going to talk about how to get started in Screencast-o-matic. First thing you need to make sure is that you are logged into Google Chrome with your Columbia K-12 account. How I can make sure I've done that is up here in the top right hand side. I'm going to see the little circle with either my picture or my initials, and that way I know I'm logged into Google Chrome with my Columbia K-12 account. I also will know that I am logged in the right way if my bookmarks are up here, and we're going to go over to CCSD bookmarks. When I scroll down to the very bottom, we're going to see Screencast-o-matic, and that's what we're going into today. Once I click on that, it's going to pop up and ask you which email address it wants you to associate it with. Make sure you use your ColumbiaK12.com account in order to link it correctly so you have the right version that we want you to have. Next, this is your home base. This is where everything's going to happen. So as you get going, you're going to have videos over here, pictures, screenshots that you can take. You can make folders, channels, and you're also going to have your trash. Next to that, we are going to come over here to the right, and this is where the magic happens. So if I just want to take a screenshot and describe a screenshot to my students, I would hit capture screenshot and it would take a screenshot. The next one is the video. So launch recorder. What that's going to do is it's going to open up a little square box, and it's going to say everything that you want to record is going to be within this square. And then when you hit the record button, it's a little red circle you'll see. When you click that record button, it'll count down 3, 2, 1, and then it'll start recording you. So that is where most of the action is going to happen. The last little circle up here, if once we've created a video we want to edit it, I can come in here and open the video editor. So that's just a quick intro to Screencast-o-matic. I hope you enjoy it and have fun.